I came to the library to look for a book, but what's this? Print Factory Rubber Stamp MakerBox Kit. Wow. Is this something you can check out, like a book?
You can check it out. We have lots of new MakerBoxes at the library. This one will get you started rubber stamping. Do you want to check it out now?
Can I try it out?
Yes.
Let me see what's in it. It says you should have an adult with you when you do it.
I'm an adult.
Wow. Looks like there's everything in here you'd need to make a card. I think I'm going to make a card for my mom.
We've got colored pencils, markers, bunch of different stamps, different kinds of paper, regular scissors, and even some fancy scissors that cut a different pattern, and a rubber stamp pad.
Wow.
What do you want to make?
Well, I'm going to make a card. I'm going to put this sheet down to protect the table, and I can
Good
also
idea.
use it to practice on. And then it'll make cleanup easier. Here's an ink pad. And ooh, these are neat scissors. Here's a card all ready to go. It's folded in half already. I think I'm going to cut the edge and make it fancy on the top and the bottom.
These look like they're a little hard to use.
A little bit, but I think it looks good.
Cool.
I'm getting better at it as I go along.
Practice makes perfect.
Okay. It's a little crooked, but I think she's going to like it.
You bet.
I think I'm going to start with this flower.
It's pretty already.
I know. You could just give it to her like that. Let's celebrate.
I like how the way you can add words to your pictures and tell a story.
And I'm going to put these butterflies on it. All over it.
Cool.
Because you can never have too many. I like how they go off the page. I'm going to put some up here too.
What happens if we overlap our stamps? Can we do that?
Yeah, I bet you could do it. Let's see here.
Could we grow more flowers in our garden?
Yeah. I'm going to make them go all the way across.
Neat.
Like a flower bed.
Do you know we're going to have a garden out in our new courtyard area pretty soon?
Really?
It's going to be great.
That sounds like fun too. I'm going to make a little border with this.
Oh, what does it say?
It says, "Friends are forever."
Aw. Oh, I love it. Goes all around the edge. Makes
Yeah.
it look extra cool.
Let's see what else we got here. Oh, this isn't really a stamp, but I'm going to use it like a stamp.
I'll bet there are a lot of objects in your house that if you asked a grown-up if you could use it to experiment with on stamping, they would say yes. There might be some that they would say no, so make sure you check.
Can you tell what it's going to be?
I'm not sure. Something red and black. What would be red and black and out in the garden? Anybody have a guess?
A ladybug.
Good guess. I think that's what's happening. Little ladybugs. They're really good for your garden.
They
Ladybugs and worms. They help to keep your garden healthy.
Maybe this could be a worm too.
Ooh.
Let's see.
Oh, that's a good idea to practice on your scratch paper and
And
see
then if
what
it
kind of
doesn't work.
effects you make, right? Nifty. That looks a little like a worm.
A little bit. Okay, I'm going to put some legs on this ladybug. It's like a whole ladybug family. Oh, and some antenna.
All right. Look at that. Ladybugs have 6 legs like insects do.
And then polka dots. I don't think it matters how many they have.
Yeah, we can do things from real life or we can do it out of our imagination.
And then I think I'm going to color in some of these flowers with the pins that are in here.
I like that
The
idea.
stems. Add a little color.
Well, anybody would be excited to open an envelope and get this card.
I could even send it to myself.
Great idea. It's fun to get something in the mail. Or you could send it to a friend and they could send you something back. Or you could send it to us at the library. I bet we would write back because that's the kind of people we are.
And the butterflies could be purple. Well, you get the idea.
Yeah. You have so many good ideas. I think the sky's the limit when it comes to rubber stamping. You could even
Fun.
make your own stamps. We do have a good selection in here for you to start with. We're going to be adding some different ones as time goes by, so you can check things out more than once. You can't reserve it though, because we want to give everybody a chance. So if you're interested in this or any of the other maker boxes, come on by to the library and ask about it. There's a 2-week checkout period, and when you bring it back, someone else will have a chance to use it. I hope you like all of our new maker boxes and all of our new books too. We've got some new books about rubber stamping, so you probably enjoy reading those too. Thanks for watching. Happy stamping!